Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to crop videos using Capcut. Now let's begin. Do note that I'm using Capcut on my PC and you can also crop the videos in Capcut Mobile. Now let's begin. Right here I have a video on my timeline. The video is something like this and I want to crop it. Let us simply select the video. Let's left click on the video that is on the timeline. And if we look at this tab, there are multiple settings available here. Let's scroll over and at the end, we will find something like crop ratio. Let's click on it and there you have it. It opens a panel by which you can crop your video. If you look at the bottom, you will find something like crop ratio. Right now it's on free. Let's click on this drop down button and there are lots of methods by which you can crop. It can be a 9:16 ratio or a 16:9 or a 4:3. In case you want to crop the ratio freely, let's click on this drop down again and select free. And now you can crop as per your wish. Once everything is satisfactory, click on confirm, or if you are not satisfied, you can click on reset as well. For now, I'm gonna click on confirm and let's play the video again. And there you have it guys, that's how you crop a video using Capcut PC. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.